Children and viewers, so today we are going to learn a lab activity. So the lab activity is nothing but convex lens lab activity. So lab activity of the convex lens. So in this activity we are going to learn the different types of image formed by this convex lens for different object distances. So for this activity the metals required are, so one is the convex lens of certain focal length, but in this activity this is the convex lens having the focal length 22.5 centimeter, and next one is the lens holder. This is called the lens holder or V stand, and next one is the candle, and next one is the matchbox, and next one is the scale. Already the scale is drawn on the chart paper, so observe, this is a scale drawn on the chart paper. And next the screen. So the screen is, I am taking the white paper as a screen. I am taking this white paper as a screen. So now I am placing this lens holder. I am placing this lens holder at 0 of the scale. Now consider this a 0 of the scale. On either 0 I drawn the scale. So now I am keeping the lens holder so at 0 of the scale. Exactly 0 of the scale, observe. So this is the midpoint of the V stand. The midpoint of the V stand is kept exactly at 0. And next one, in the lens holder I am keeping the lens. Which lens? It is the convex lens. And after that I am taking this candle. So actually the focal length of this lens is 22.5 centimeter. Then we find the center of curvature or 2f. It may be called as center of curvature or 2f. The 2f is nothing but 2 into 22.5, that is nothing but 45 centimeter. So observe, this is the f1, this is f1 and this is the c1. And next, so this is the f2 and this is the c2. Now take the candle. Now first this candle can be act as an object here. Now the object is kept, now this object is kept at beyond C1, nothing but here keeping, and now this candle is, I am going to kept this candle beyond C1 and nothing but 2f1. So actually the C1 is nothing but 45 centimeter. So now I am keeping this candle at 55 centimeter, observe. This is a 55, exactly at 55 centimeter I am placing the candle. So after that, so we have to lighten the candle. So now I am going to lighten the candle. Now this is the object. So now the object is kept 55 centimeter, nothing but beyond C. Beyond C. So that convex lens, and when the object is beyond C, so where the image is formed, the image can be formed between F and C, and nothing but actually the object is beyond C1, beyond C1 here. Now object is beyond C1. So now where the image is formed, already you know that in the theory class, that is nothing but the image can be formed on other side of the lens. So between this F and C, and nothing but F2 and C2. F2 and C2. Now here where the object is kept, the object is kept so beyond C1 or beyond C. Now where the image is formed, the image must be formed between F and C. So we are going to check. Now now I am taking the screen. The screen is kept so other side of the lens. Now after keeping the screen on other side of the lens, so when we move the screen away from the lens at a place, you can observe the image on the screen. Now this is the image. So it is not the clear image. So now it is the clear image. So now this is the not clear image. So this is a clear image is formed, observe. This is a clear image. This is the not clear. So this is a clear image, observe. So what is this type of image? Actually it is forming on the, and nothing but it is catching, and nothing but this image is catched on the screen. So that's why this image is called the real image, and it is inverted. Now look at the candle. Now look at the candle. So now look at the candle. So in the candle, so the flame will be upward. The candle of the flame will be upward. Now observe in the screen. So in the screen the flame will be downward and nothing but it is an inverted image, and as well as now it is a diminished image. It is the diminished image. Now where the image is formed? So now the image is formed. So this is the F2 and this is the C2. This is the F2 and C2. So that's why the image is formed between the F2 and C2. Now observe, this is the F2 and this is C2. Now the image is formed between the F2 and C2. Observe. So now where the image is formed, this is 35 centimeter, this is 36, 37, 38. And then now where the image is formed at 38 centimeter from the lens on other side of the lens. So now for U, so when U equal to 55 centimeter, so then where the image is formed, so the image is formed at 38 centimeter. And then now the object is so beyond C. Now where the image is formed between F and C. And next, now I am placing the object at C. Now I am placing the object at C. Observe, and exactly at 45 centimeter. Exactly at 45 centimeter. So now where the image is formed, we are going to check. So now observe. So now I am placing the screen on other side of the lens and observe the image. So now this image is formed here. Now observe. So and it is formed on the screen, and nothing but we are catching the image on the screen. That's why this image is the real image and it is an inverted image. Now this size will be same size of the object, and nothing but what is the size of this flame, and observe the same size is here. So that's why now observe it is formed at C. Now it is formed at C. So student, now it is formed exactly at C. Observe. And the object is at C1. Now the object is at C1. Now the image is formed at C2. Observe, this is a C2. This is C2. Now the image is formed at C2. And now the image is inverted, and as well as it is the real, and it has the same size. It is the same size of the object. So now I am writing in the table. Observe. So now the object is at C. Now the object is at C. Now the object is at C. So now the C distance is how much? 45 centimeter. So the image distance is also formed. Now the object is at C1 and the image is formed at C2. So now what is the image distance? The image distance is also 45 centimeter, and size is also same. Sizes will be the same, but in the previous case when the object is B and C, the image is formed between F and C. What is that image? That is the real and inverted and diminished. But in this case, when object is at C1, image is also formed at same, at nothing but same distance, but this image will be what? Real, inverted and same size. Now coming to the when the object, next I am keeping the object, I am placing the object between F1 and C1, and nothing but between F and C. So now I am placing the object between F and C, and nothing but F1 and C1. So the F1 is 22.5 and C1 is the 45 between F1 and C1. So now where the image is formed, already we learned the image is formed beyond C2 on other side of the lens. So now that image can be formed beyond C2. Why? Where the object is kept? So the object is kept between F1 and C1 at nothing but focus and center of curvature of this lens. Now the image is formed beyond C. So now we are going to observe. So now I am keeping this. So I am now keeping this screen on other side of the lens, and I am moving the screen away from the lens. Now you can observe where the image is formed. So now this is the image is formed here. Observe, clear image. This is a clear image. This is a not clear image, and this is a clear image. This is also not the clear image. So now here the clear image is formed. So observe. So this is the real image and it is inverted, but it is magnified. Observe, this is a magnified image. This is a magnified image. Observe. So this is also not clear image, and this is also not clear image. Now at this place the image formed is the clear. So now it is the real, and it is the inverted and magnified. So now what is the distance? So we are going to check. So now the distance is 65 centimeter. Observe, these are not clear image. So this is a clear image. So the clear image is found at 65 centimeter. The nothing but beyond C2. Beyond C2. But the object is between F1 and C1. Now where the image is formed? Beyond C2. C2 is nothing but 45. So 45 centimeter ku avutala form ayindi. So it where the image is found at 65 centimeter. So now when object is kept between F1 and C1. So what is the distance? The distance is 35 centimeter. So where the image is formed at 65, nothing but beyond C2. Beyond C2. So now this image is the real, and it is the inverted, now magnified. It is what? It is a magnified image. Now come to the when the object is at F. Nothing but when the object is kept exactly at F. So now we can't observe the image. Why? So now the rays which are coming from this object is parallel. So that's why to catch the image. So now where we have to go? So up to infinity we have to go. So that we can't catch image on the screen. Why? So because to catch the image on the screen, so we have to go to the infinity. We have to go to the infinity. You have to remember. And next one. So when now I am keeping the object between optic center of the lens and focus. So now that focus is nothing but the focal length is our focus point is 22.5 centimeter. So now this is optic center here. So at the midpoint of this we stand. So now I am placing this candle between the optic center of the lens and focus. So anywhere. Now we cannot form the image on the screen. We cannot form the image on the screen because it can form the virtual image. So now you can observe. So the image can be formed in the lens. So now observe. So that image is the magnified image and erected image. Now you can observe. So now that is the image formed in the lens. So that is the magnified and that is the magnified. So that is the magnified image. Observe. So the image is the magnified image and it is a virtual image and erected image. Observe. The size of the flame is also more compared to the object distance. Now this is the virtual image. This is the virtual and erected and as well as the magnified image. Now we learned the different types of image formed by the convex lens. So this is the activity of the convex lens.